Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use PayPal on DHgate. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now first thing that you want to do here is you want to first go to DHgate.com and log in into your account. Now once you've logged into your account, you could use DHgate as you would. So in this case, you need to add your items, and once you've added your items, we first need to go to our cart. So our cart is located at the top right of our screen. So once you've gone to your cart, you need to check out. So just click on get coupon and check out here. And from here, you could go ahead and add your address, your summary here. As you can see, you could also add your code here if you want. But in this section here under payment methods, as you can see, we only have two options. So in here, we have the pay with a card and the other payment method, which is Skrill as of this moment. So as of this moment for DHgate, PayPal is not yet supported, which is really unfortunate. So in this case, we need to use another payment method. So if you already have a card, so either a Visa or a MasterCard, you could go ahead and just use the pay with a new card. Now, if you don't have that, you could go ahead and get a virtual card online. So one of the things that I would actually suggest you is via the Gatsby.com website. You could go ahead and sign up and get a virtual card using, once you've created your account, you'll be able to get your virtual card. But yeah, so currently there's no option for us to actually use PayPal on DHgate. So alternatively, you need to use a card. So actually in the first place, when you're actually signing up with PayPal, you'll be asked to actually link a card. So in this case, you might want to actually use that card that you set up with PayPal so that you'll be able to purchase things on DHgate. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.